Robert and I are off on another adventure where we just happen to be driving through the Central Plateau area of the Tongariro National Park. We are known to frequent this particular area of our country fairly often, being just an hour or so away from our hometown of Whanganui. We've been on many a walk in this region, such as to the Taranaki Falls, which is a favourite walk for our family. The Taranaki Falls track leads on to other tracks, such as to the Tama Lakes, which was another spectacular walk for us. But this day brought us up here to be nosy, observing that all the tracks in this vicinity have been blocked off due to a recent wildfire a week ago on the 8th of November. As luck would have it, our daughter turned 40 on the 9th of November, the day after the fire started, and had booked a motel at Ohakuni, where she planned to walk the Tongariro Alpine Crossing. Needless to say, their plans changed, and they were not one of the many that were helicoptered out of bush huts and camps up in this Ruapehu district. We know how sacred this land is to the Maori, who have now put a rahui, or a temporary restriction prohibiting access within the park. The Maori were amazed that the po, or Maori carving pole at the crossing entrance, was minimally damaged. We found out that the day after this video was shot, the Tongariro Alpine Crossing was open once again after the 7-day rahui was lifted, with a few restrictions. As you can see from when we walked the Alpine Crossing in 2016, there's a few timber tracks along the way, which appear to have been damaged in the fire. Conditions were so hot and dry, perfect for a fire, that FENZ, Fire and Emergency New Zealand, had a tough time in controlling the blaze. In the end, weather, in particular rain, helped in extinguishing the flames. But now back to the reason for our trip. We're driving up to Rotorua for a nighttime experience at Te Puia, where a fellow YouTuber told us of a spectacular geyser light trail show that we just had to see for ourselves. But before the day turned to night, we filled in time by returning to the Blue Springs walk, as the track was now open all the way. We loved this fence, as it was a big saying back in the early 1990s. Sir Wayne Shelford, or Buck, as he was known by, thanks to his teeth, was an All Black captain in the late 1980s. He helped the All Blacks win their 1987 World Cup, but was controversially dropped from the team in 1990. He's a year older than me today, aged 67, and in 2021 he was knighted. So I find it humorous that he's still remembered today. Or is he? Maybe it's referring to a deer named Buck that escaped from a deer farm, so the farmer erected a "Bring Back Buck" sign. Very funny. We're back at the Waihou Blue Springs, as when we visited here back in June this year of 2025, the track was closed. So while we wait for darkness to set in, we'll put our walking shoes on and see what the rest of the track is like. Take note of how popular this place is now, being a Sunday and nearly summertime. The car park is so full that we had to park on the road. Other people are on the road up that end. Wow. So where are we?
Blue Springs. Time to have another look at the springs.
We hear it's open. When we were here last it was shut, wasn't it?
Yes.
It's a Sunday and look how busy it is. It's mad.
November.
It's November. It's spring. Beautiful day. And we're filling in time. We've got somewhere special to go tonight. Booked in at 9 o'clock, are we not?
Mm-hmm.
Thao cần. Chuẩn bị. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Đó, thì mình trồng lên.
There's one under the water. I don't think this will see it though, will it? What are they? Trout? Salmon? What are they? What swims in these waters? 3 fish. At least we see the fish this time. That's cool. Glad we got to see some today. There he is, up there. Glad I'm talking to no one again. That's as far as we went last time. This was blocked. What a blighter. Well, you're mean. So now we can see what's past the area that we couldn't see it when we were here before. It was all shut off. We're getting to see heaps of fish. Yay! That's beautiful. You're a baby too. Aww. You want to be with your mama? Where'd she go? There. We're going down the other side.
It's all a new bit.
It is a new bit. Why? What happened to the old bit? Got washed away. Ooh. This is a lovely walk, I must say. It's beautiful. Yeah, that's the rocks. Okay. Why is there a wheel? Do you know why that is? Oh, that's where there's no body. Shocking. Oh, here they come. Not for long. Oh, they're all in here. All the people are in here. Oh, dig. Well, no people. Nice in the shade, huh? Hot day. Oh, still got half a month till summer, don't we? Oh, goodness gracious. Out of order. Can I have a nosy? Oh, I can't see. There's a toilet in there. Yeah. Nice shady spot, eh? It is. Oh, this part. We saw it in the distance. Still blocked off though. That path is not worthy. Holding humans. Ah.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
I saw those people jump it. They jumped that and you opened it. Good on you, mate. That's that bridge we saw in the distance. So it was up there, the block-off point. This is at the other end of the track that we walked in from until we couldn't go any further. You're not going? Had enough, Bobby? We remember this bit, don't we? Where we saw it in the distance. Still enough cars. At 5:30. We arrived at 3:20. We're just chilling, killing time.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
We called in at Te Puia to make sure we knew where to come to tonight before grabbing some dinner and watching the sun go down over Lake Rotorua. It was a surprise to see the Lakeland Queen out of the dry dock and onto the lake itself, even though she wasn't operating due to the excess weed in the lake. I love your teeth. I want them.
It is a self-guided trail, so you're free to take a map or scan the digital one.
Perfect.
At about 9 o'clock, there will be a health and safety briefing down there on the big screen.
Oh,
You guys can
Cool.
take a seat.
thank you. Start. Rotorua Hill.
Wera ko te rangi ani wāniwa te mahu e tanga o ngā puna tāwhito I waihanga I hora ki a kakata mai
It's that cloud formation. like that. Neato. Oh, you see it too. What's it on those barriers? It is. Up on the bridge. To the bridge. Nice. Wow, can't see any of it. So that's the sculpture. Keep going around. What do you think of it so far?
Good.
Yeah, unique, hey, different. Very different, look at this. Coming into the dark. Taco, look out! The guide told us to go into here. Look at these mushrooms. I've seen some blue mushrooms, beach. Oh, I love that. You're not mushrooms, are you? They are lovely. I like them. Uh-oh. Haven't got any light or bubble. Oh, wow. Really different, isn't it? It's cool. I like them. Oh. Oh. What's this? I don't know.
He's up the hill.
Oh, it's travelling up the hill. Huh. Oh wow, wonder why. Oh, it is, it's moving. Don't know what it means. What does it say? Oh, the Waikite Geyser. Waikite Geyser was once the most spectacular geyser in the Whakarewarewa Valley. Waikite means water seen from afar, as it used to erupt 20 metres high. However, it stopped erupting in 1969, possibly because of the large number of bores that were drilled in the 1950s, with houses making use of the plentiful hot water. We saw that from a distance, didn't we? Earlier. Where's the singing coming from? Oh, how was that? You're a lovely singer. Oh, that's cool, eh? It's dark. Oh, cool. Sparkly hillside.
Turn around quick.
Where? Oh wow, what's that? It's the geyser going off. Would it be? Oh look, the hillside's getting more sparkly. Wow, hey. She's going off. What's happening here? Where do we go? Where are we going? Over there? Or around there? Pohutu Geyser dot. It says. It's a waterfall. Hot, steamy waterfall. Oh, I can feel that water coming from somewhere. Where the heck is it coming from? It's dripping on me. Feels like rain. Is it raining? Oh, it could be raining. Is it? I just felt the water splashing on me. That's what it said. Huh. Look at it. Oh, I'm getting that constant splash. Pohutu. Oh, cool, look at it. Oh, that's neat. Can't see you though. Beach. Oh wow, it goes on. Can I take a photograph now, Robert? Please? Pikirangi village. Oh, Pikirangi. Oh wow. Oh, she's stuck. Oh wow. Look at this. How neat. Isn't that neat? Oh, wow. Hello in there. Okay. That's so neat. Okay, what else can we see? Hey, oh, the war dance of war pies. Can you read that for me, Robin? Ti whakarewarewa tanga o te o pitaua wahioa. I'm good at Māori. You could have said it for me, buddy. He's not even talking. And there we are. An hour and 15 minutes later, we've looked at the Marama night light show. Cool. Was this lit up at night? Saw this in the day. It is lit up. Exit Putanga. Press the button to get out. And it worked. Yay. How was that? Did you like it?
Yeah.
Flick us around. No, can't see us. Where are you? What do you think?
Cool.
What's in the background? Te Puia. Oh, it's all back to front. That was very unique.